Hi, I'm Joe.
And I'm Andy, and we're going to show you how to assemble your studioed up Juno 4-drawer dresser changer.
Let's do this.
Step 1, lean the right side panel against the wall.
Step 2, line up the green connectors on your back panel with the holes on the side panel against the wall, making sure your pre-drilled holes are facing out. Push down to lock into place.
Step 3, repeat the same steps for the remaining side panel.
With a friend, gently lie the case on his back so you can install the bottom. Next, gently flare the sides of the case so your friend can install the bottom.
Line up your connectors with the slots on both sides. Once inserted, push down to lock. If you need a little help, grab a household hammer and the provided hammer cap. Don't be afraid to use some elbow grease. Next, insert your stretcher to the bottom of the case, lining up your green connectors with. So slide in your connector, and again, if needed, use your hammer to tap into place.
Next, flip the case to an upright position. Now you're ready to put on the top. Line up the holes on the underside of the top with the green connectors on the top of the case. Now it's time to build your drawers. Protect the surface of your dresser with some of the foam included in your packaging. Connect the green connectors to the slots on the drawer face. Insert, push down, and lock into place. Repeat on the second side. Insert, push down, lock into place. Take your drawer bottom, insert into the groove of the drawer, making sure to line up the orange hardware with the drawer face and facing out towards the bottom. If you need a little extra help, use your hammer cap and hammer to ensure there is a small indentation from the drawer bottom to the drawer side. Taking your drawer back, insert the green connectors once again into the slots on the drawer sides. Push in. And then push down to lock into place. Again, if you need a little extra help, use your hammer. Voila.
Next, we're going to be installing our drawers. We're going to attach the orange clip to the metal drawer glides. Extend them all the way out before adding your drawer on top.
To connect your drawer to the drawer glides, grab the gray plastic piece on the drawer glide and push against your drawer face while pulling forward with your glide until you hear a very audible click. That means your drawer is connected. Now, push into position. Perfection. Next, if you selected the Juno 4 drawer changer, follow these steps to attach the corresponding changing tray.
Take your hardware and screw it in using your Allen wrench. And take your remaining hardware and repeat the exact steps on the other side.